morning. Today I'm making pancakes. I'm making these vegan purple blueberry pancake things. My mum just tagged me in a picture of it and she was like, these look really nice. So now I'm going to try and make them. They're made by a girl called Andrea's Breakfast. I think that's her Instagram. I will put her in the description. I've never heard of her, but her food looks great. These are like purple ombre pancakes. Basically what you do is you make up a normal pancake mix and then you make some pancakes that are plain, then you put a bit of dye in and then you make those pancakes and you add more dye, and that's how you get all the different colors without having to make loads of different mixture. But I don't have pink pitaya powder or blue spirulina like she used, so I'm going to add frozen blueberries in to make the purple color because they kind of leak their color. So they will be vegan blueberry pancakes. We aren't vegan in my family, but we do drink a lot of non-dairy milks. Now she uses normal flour, but I'm actually going to make some oat flour because I love the taste of oats. So let's see how this goes. So I didn't really blend the oats very well, so I'm gonna have to put it back in our food processor thing and blitz it up so that it's not all lumpy. It didn't really make that much difference, but I'm sure it'll be grand.
So I put your hair back so
No, it's fine. Look! It worked so well. It's not exactly saturated like her one. It's kind of lopsided. You're gonna ignore that. Look how great it looks. I'm very proud of this. I hope it tastes good. See.
Okay, so what
Doesn't it look so cool? I've never made a proper stack of pancakes before anyway, so like I'm pretty proud of this. We even had like vegan yogurt to put on top, so it just looks awesome and I want to eat it. This is Laura editing the video, realizing that I never told you how my family thought of them. My brother is a complete dairy addict. He loves like cheese and milk and yogurt, but he loved these pancakes even though they were vegan, so I was pretty proud of that. And they tasted really good. They just taste like blueberry oat pancakes. We had some left over for the next day, so I had them for breakfast. I just put them in the toaster and they were perfect. So I would give these a solid 8 out of 10. They're not like super amazing pancakes, but they're really, really nice. And my presentation skills, I think, get a 20 out of 10 because that is art right there in front of you guys. So yeah, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that video. It was really fun to make. It actually went really well. I was expecting a big fail. They weren't very blue colored. The gradient worked. I didn't have the ingredients that she had when she made hers, so it's fine. They took a long time to make. Like I was there cooking them for like a whole hour, but that's because it's a small frying pan and I doubled the batter. Sorry you couldn't eat them. I have another idea for a pancake video, but I don't want to film it. Like, would that be annoying if I uploaded 2 pancake videos like close to each other, or is that okay? I don't know. Let me know. If you liked the video, would you please like and subscribe, because I have so much free time to do cooking and food stuff now. There'll be a lot more food videos on my channel, also a lot more clothes videos like my last one. I will link that in the description, and I will link the Instagram person who I took this recipe from. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.